People are different from each other in many ways. Not only do they look different, but they might also belong to different regional, cultural, or religious backgrounds. These differences enrich our lives in many ways and make India so interesting and so diverse. In this chapter, we will study making friends. Every time I cycled past the Janpat crossing, I saw a small rag boy who sold newspapers. Always he would run after me, holding out the English paper and screaming out the evening's headlines in a mixture of Hindi and English words. This time, I stopped by the pavement and asked for a Hindi paper. His mouth fell open. "You mean you know Hindi?" "Of course. Why? What did you think?" "But you look so Angrez. You mean you can even read Hindi?" "Of course I can. I can speak, read and write Hindi. Hindi is one of the subjects I study in school." Subjects? How could I explain what a subject was to someone who had never been to school? Well, it is something. भैया, आपका अखबार। अब बताइए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज है? Oh, it's just something to study. Have you ever been to school? Never. I began working when I was so high. First, my mother used to come with me, but I can do it all alone. My name is Samir. What's yours? My name is Samir too. What? Yes, it's another name for Hanuman's father, you know. So, now you are Samir Ek and I am Samir Do. Something like that. Haath milao Samir Do. I am a Muslim Samir. Differences between the two Samir. While Samir Ek was more familiar with English, Samir Do spoke Hindi. They came from different religious and cultural backgrounds. While Samir Ek was a Hindu, Samir Do was a Muslim. While Samir Ek went to school, Samir Do sold newspapers. Samir Do did not have the opportunity to attend school. Such different religious and cultural backgrounds are an aspect of diversity. Further, apart from religious and cultural differences, there exists economic inequality. Such economic inequality comes about when a person does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other persons. Diversity in India. India is a country of many diversities. People speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. But in reality, we do similar things but in different ways. Development of diversity. Historical factors. Earlier, many reasons led people to travel from one part of the world to another and settle there. They traveled in search of new lands, new places to settle in, or for people to trade with. Sometimes, droughts or famines also compel people to leave their homes and settle in new places. On the other hand, the modes of transportation of that time were limited to ships, horses, camels. Some even travelled on foot. Thus, since it took so long for people to travel, once they got to a place, people stayed there often for a long time. As people began to make their homes in new places, they either began to change a little or they continued their old practices. So their languages, food, music, religions became a mix of the old and the new, and out of this intermixing of cultures came something new and different. Development of diversity. Geographical factors. Diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For instance, living near the sea is quite different from living in a mountainous area. Not only do people have different clothing and eating habits, but even the kinds of work they do are different. Development of diversity, other factors. The influence of diverse cultures is not merely a thing of the past. Our present lives are all about moving from place to place for work, and with each move our cultural traditions and way of life slowly become part of the new place we are in. Similarly, in our own neighborhoods, we live close to people from several communities. Our daily lives are about the ways in which we do things together and hear stories about each other's lives, customs and traditions. Unity in diversity. It was Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe our country. This is because India has always been proverbial for its diversity, which has always proved out to be its strength. When the British ruled India, women and men from different cultural, religious and regional backgrounds came together to oppose them. Though the British thought they could divide Indians because they were so different and then continue to rule them, the people showed how they could be different and yet be united in their battle against the British.